Hello everyone. Are you having problem with layers isolation? You want to isolate some layers to get the work done quickly and smoothly. But sometimes the settings in AutoCAD makes our brain cry. We select the layers and try to isolate it from other disturbing layers while working. But instead of getting disappeared, the other layers are just deemed off. They still disturb us by distracting snaps on them. So, if this is the exact problem you are facing, we can solve this. For that, let's type LA command and type enter. Here in this layer list table, at right top corner, we can see this setting symbol which says setting. Let's click here. You can explore other settings too if you want. But right now, let's see at this bottom option. We can see isolate layer setting. We can see the first option is being selected which says lock and fade. This is the reason we are having problem. So let's select the second option which says off and also select off in paper space viewport use option. Now we can just click OK. And also close this layer list. Now let's try to isolate layer. Type LAYISO and select objects. Now we can see all layers have disappeared. Isn't it very easy? There are many useful videos on my channel. Since my channel is very new, do not hesitate to support by sharing. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions or need more clarification, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting!